In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you have suggestion strip enabled at the top of it, you can tap on microphone icon right away. If you don't, you need to go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System and Updates, Language and Input, Gboard, and finally Text Correction. Now use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it and go back to your keyboard. Now you can click on this microphone, or if you still can't see it, select this gear, click on voice typing and activate it thanks to this switcher. After clicking on your microphone, you need to choose while using the app in the pop-up if you never used it before, and then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or simply stop talking. Like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!